The goal of this procedure is to use both thermoneutral and cold-activated PET-CT to automatically segment depots of brown adipose tissue and apply to co-registered MRI scans of the same subject. This is accomplished by first acquiring both thermoneutral and cold-activated MRI and PET-CT scans on the same subject. The second step is to spatially register all 4 scans of one subject. Due to the difficulty of registering whole-body images, focus should be placed on accurate registration of the supraclavicular region. Next, the registered cold-activated and thermoneutral PET-CT scans for one subject are used to define the BAT regions for that specific subject. The final step is to apply the BAT regions of interest to the MRI scans that have been registered to the PET-CT scans of the same subject. Ultimately, this procedure provides quantitative MRI metrics in brown adipose tissue using automatically generated BAT regions of interest instead of manually defined regions.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods used in studies of human brown adipose tissue is that this technique acquires and combines MRI and PET-CT scans under both thermoneutral and cold-activated conditions on the same subject.
Using the MRI metrics yielded by this approach, it may be possible to answer key questions such as the prevalence and spatial distribution of human brown adipose tissue using only MRI.
To prepare the temperature-controlled room for MRI, use a small room. For cooler temperatures, maintain the room temperature with a portable air conditioning unit and a rotating floor fan to keep the cool.